Okay, this is page 80. All right, once again, when we add and subtract polynomials, remember they have to have the same variable to the same exponent. You can only add x squared with x squared. You cannot add x squared with x cubed. But today we're going to be multiplying these binomials, multiplying polynomials. Each term of the first polynomial is going to be distributed. What does it mean to distribute? Multiply, hence the title, multiplying polynomials. So it's going to be distributed by each term in the second polynomials and combine any like terms afterwards. Okay. So last week we were doing 2x squared plus. We were adding and subtracting. So when you add and subtract, all you do is add the coefficient or subtract the coefficient. But 2 plus 3 is 5x squared. Today, when we multiply these polynomials, we're going to multiply the coefficient, which 2 times 3 is 6. And then when you multiply the variable, x times x gives you x squared. Keep the difference between those two in mind when we're doing this. Okay. Now today we're going to learn the FOIL method. FOIL method is also known as the double distributive method. You can do it either way, whichever way you prefer once we're done with the notes. These are front side only, so it's not going to take us forever. Now tomorrow, box method is another way of multiplying polynomials that gives you the same result, that gives you the same answer. Once we're done with with today and tomorrow's note, whichever way you prefer, you can use. A lot of people like FOIL method, but a lot more people like box method instead. Okay, FOIL method. I can see you out of the corner of my eye. Channy's making fun of me and my hand gestures. I can't teach without doing my hand gestures. Anyway, FOIL method. The F in FOIL, I can't think, Channy, when you're doing that. The F in FOIL stands for first, meaning the first term in each binomial. So the first term in the first binomial is 2x. The first term in the second binomial is x. We multiply 2x times x, and that gets us what? 2x squared. Multiply. What do you mean how? It makes 100% sense. So let's be quiet and pay attention. 2 times 1 is 2. X times x is x squared. Okay? Didn't pay attention. O stands for outer. So we're talking about the outside terms of both binomials, which would be 2x and 4. 2x times 4 is 8x. Not x squared because 4 does not have an x, okay? The next one, inner. Inner means the inside terms. 5 times x. 5 times x is? 5x. Sorry, I wrote that wrong. 5 times x, 5x. And then L stands for last. The last terms of both binomials. 5 is the last term in the first binomial. 4 is the last term in the second. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay. Now, after you're done multiplying or distributing, you combine your like terms. The like terms will always be the middle two. 8x plus 5x gives you what?
13x.
13x. Okay. So from there, you just combine the result of all your other terms. So our answer is going to be 2x squared plus 13x plus 20.
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, there's still more.
It's not super difficult, but yeah,
There's always more to it.
in this case there is not. Well, there a little bit more, just a little bit more. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Number 1. We're going to write FOIL down the side. So we know what terms we're going to multiply. Please let Spencer in. F stands for first. So the first term in each binomial. What's the first term in the first?
3x.
So we're going to multiply 3x times
6x.
6x. Okay. 3 times 6 is
24.
3 times 6 is not 24.
18.
Yeah, bro.
X times x.
X squared.
Good.
I got
O stands for outer. What is the outside? What are the two outside terms?
3x and negative 5.
3x times negative 5.
Negative 13.
3x times negative 5 is
Negative 15x.
negative 15x. I stands for inner. What are the inside two terms?
2
and 6.
And 2 times 6x is,
12x.
okay. L stands for last. What are the last terms in each binomial?
2 and negative 5.
And 2 times negative 5 is?
Negative 10.
After that, you combine like terms. Your like terms will always be the middle two terms. You add those middle two terms. So negative 15 plus 12x gives you what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3x. So our result is 18x squared minus 3x minus 10. Do I have any questions? All right. Number 2. Was everybody done copying this one?
Yeah.
Get it. Go ahead and write FOIL down the side of number 2.
I wrote it.
All right. The first term, the two first terms on number 2, 9x times 5x. 9x times 5x gives us,
45x. Do you where?
good. The two outside terms, 9x times
Negative 3.
and 9x times negative 3.
Negative 27.
Oh, you got it this time. Good. The two inside terms, 4 times
5x.
4 times 5x is
25x.
20x.
That last 25, bro.
Yeah, bro.
L stands for last. What are the two last terms? 4 times,
Negative 3.
and that gives us,
Negative 12.
good, negative 12. Always combine which ones?
The middle 2.
The middle two. So when we add negative 27 plus 20, the result is negative 7x. Good. So 45x squared minus 7x minus 12. So this whole unit, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be multiplying. The next unit, we're going to be splitting them apart. What's the opposite of multiplying the polynomials?
Divided.
Dividing. But in the next unit, it's called factoring. Okay. Double distributive. So FOIL method is also called the double distributive method. Some people do like writing out the FOIL. If you don't like doing all of that, probably Jesus, this part is gonna be for you. Double distributive method. You're still doing the same thing. You're distributing. To each term in the second polynomial, and as always, combine the like terms after. You take that first term, distribute it to both terms on the other side. Then you take the second term, distribute it to both terms on the other side. Ready? So the arrows represent what you're distributing first to first. 8x times 6x is
18.
8x times 6x, not adding, multiplying. When you multiply those, what is the result? 48x
Yo.
squared. Okay?
Try it.
Not trying hard enough.
What now?
All right. The next arrow represents that we're multiplying 8x times
Negative.
negative 7. 8x times negative 7?
Negative 54.
Negative 56x.
I was three.
How small?
Okay. Calm down. Calm down. The next arrow represents that we're going to multiply the two inside, inner, FOIL. Negative 1 times 6x.
Negative 6x.
Negative.
All right. And L stands for last. So, oops. Negative 1 times negative 7, which gives us positive 7. When you combine your like terms, which ones always combine?
The 2 in the middle.
The 2 in the middle. So bring down your 48x squared. Negative 56 minus 6 is
62.
negative 62x. Bring down the plus 7. Do I have any questions?
I like that method.
Nope. Yeah.
Kind of.
All right. Number 3. Ready? Using double distributive method. So 3x times 6x,
18 squared x.
x squared.
Neg-
3x times negative 5,
Negative 5. Negative 15x.
2 times 6x,
12.
positive 12x. And then 2 times negative 5,
10. Negative 10.
negative 10. Always combine the
2 middle.
2 middle ones. So 18x squared, negative 15 plus 12,
Negative 3.
negative 3x minus 10. I'm going to make a slight change to the last example, so please do not move on.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
I kind of already
Like I said, please don't move on.
remember.
Ready? Okay. Number 4. We're going to add a y to both of the second terms. And that's just because it's going to come up on your assignment and it's not very much different, but you do have to be a little careful. All right. First two terms, 9x times 5x is,
45
X.
squared.
okay.
Oh, why?
Now, 9x times negative 3x. When you multiply two different variables, you just put them together. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. X times y, xy. That's all you do. Put them together. You can multiply different variables. You cannot add different variables. You cannot add x plus y, but you can multiply x times y. Got it? Next, 4y times 5x. 4 times 5 is 20 xy. And then last, 4y times negative 3y is,
Negative 12y.
12
y times y is y squared. And as always, combine the middle two. Okay, so bring down 45x squared. Negative 27 plus 20 is negative 7xy minus 12y squared. Do I have any questions?
No.
All right.